Bisinfotech welcomes you at Electronica 2026. Today we have with us Mr. Siddhartha N. Vadhar, Director Business Development from Miracle. So, sir, my first question is, how is Electronica 2026 treating you?
It's really good, especially this year. The footfall is really good compared to Electronica Bangalore. So I'm liking it. The thing is, Electronica Bangalore was so good that I had booked all three events this year: Electronica Noida, Bangalore, as well as Germany. So it's been really good over the years. Yeah.
Tell us something about your company.
So Miracle Electronic is a 33-year-old company. So we are mainly into manufacturing of transformers, wiring harnessing, and box building. So we supply to many sectors like defense, aerospace. For example, we have done wire harnessing for super aircrafts, helicopters. We make transformers for Akash missile launchers. We supply to the medical industry. We supply transformers to X-rays, CM machines, textile machinery. It's a wide range of sectors. Yeah.
And what are the key products you are showcasing here?
So main is three verticals. We have transformers, wiring harnessing, and box building. Yeah.
What are the main industry challenges your company is currently addressing?
The main challenge is the competition with China. Obviously, that is main. The fluctuation of the raw material, that's a big thing. So in ours, copper is the main raw material. And in the recent last 1 or 2 years, there's been a lot of fluctuation in the copper prices. So that is a big issue.
How does your company differentiate from your competitors?
So we handle complex projects. So we are not into mass manufacturing as such. We handle complex projects, low volume. Also, we handle low volume, high mix. So that's why we are different. And the quality is export level. So most of our 90% of our business is export. Yeah. So we maintain the quality level.
And can you share your company's vision for next 3 to 5 years?
Next 3 to 5 years, we want to get into the automotive sector as well. We're trying to get into the EV sector. So we're trying to grow 3 to 4x in the next 3 to 4 years.
So do you have any message for your customers?
Oh, no, nothing. Come, please keep buying from us. We'll support you with the best pricing and quality. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you for this conversation.